Hello, in this tutorial, you will learn how to customize your player. In this first option, you can customize the name that will appear in your broadcast tab. Just enter your new title and click Save. Below we have the broadcast details, where you can select between web TV, church, EAD, and radio. In this field, we have the option of inserting tags for search engines. Just type in the new tag and click Add. Now moving on to the customization options, this theme color option corresponds to the scroll bar of your video. Just click here and select the color. We also have the option to set the player's background image and use a background color. We also have a video callback option that runs when you are not live. This option does not apply to web TVs because when you are not broadcasting live, you will be playing your scheduled playlist. We have the option to make your video private. By selecting this option, you can generate a password and then your viewer needs to enter that password to join your broadcast. In the options to show controls, we have the option of 360 degrees for compatible cameras. We have the option of automatic reconnection if you have an internet outage. We also have the automatic playback option. As soon as your viewer accesses the link, the video will already be playing. We have the option to enable simultaneous viewing of your broadcast. We can switch between player 2.0 and player 1.0 in this option. We can also hide the player icons. Here you can add your company watermark and select between bottom right, bottom left, top right, and top left. Just upload an image here. Here you can activate and deactivate the option to share your live broadcast on WhatsApp, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter channels. In the social interaction part, we can activate and deactivate the chat and select its color. In this part on the right, we have the player codes, which are available to copy and embed on your website. We also have a direct link to the player, which is available for you to share with your viewers. Just copy and paste into your browser. I hope this video helped you and see you in the next tutorial.